You've been creating all this content on TikTok for your Shopify store. Here's how you can repurpose that content to Pinterest. So if you don't know, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses like yours. So Pinterest is a search engine that many people are not leveraging. And as someone who's always already creating content for like your TikTok, you can definitely and should definitely be repurposing that content to Pinterest. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go onto Pinterest, or like business.pinterest.com, and create a business account. This would allow you to set up or connect your Shopify store to Pinterest, plus get all the analytics and things like that that you need to succeed on Pinterest. So once you do that, like I said, you're going to connect your Shopify store to Pinterest and then hopefully also apply to be a verified merchant. From there, you can start taking your content, like your short form videos and things like that, from like TikTok and repurposing it to Pinterest. And the great thing is that you can also tag your products when you connect your store. So it's really, really easy for people to purchase your product. Keep in mind, Pinterest is a search engine, so people are more than likely already there searching for something and searching for your product. And if you use Pinterest yourself, you already know that you can find things there that have been posted weeks, months, and years ago. So you definitely want your products to be searchable on a search engine type of platform like Pinterest. That's how you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below and make sure to follow me.